Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving straight into how to create interactive timelines in Notion. Notion is a fantastic tool for organizing your projects, and an interactive timeline can take your productivity to new heights. First things first, let's open up Notion and create a new page. This is where our interactive timeline will live. The reason we do this is to have a dedicated space for our timeline so it doesn't get lost among your other notes or tasks. Now that we've done that, it's time to select the board view. This helps us because it gives us a clear, visual representation of our timeline. It's just like a Kanban board where each card represents a task or event, and columns represent different stages or dates. Next up, we'll add our tasks or events to the board. To do this, simply click on New, type in the name of your task or event, and press Enter. This is critical because these cards will form the basis of our interactive timeline. Moving on, let's customize each card. Click on the card to open it and add a description, tags, and assign a person if needed. This helps us because it allows us to add detail to each task or event, making our timeline more informative and useful. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. As you add and customize cards, Notion is building an interactive timeline that you can easily navigate and update. It's a visual, intuitive way to track progress and manage tasks. Finally, arrange the cards on the board according to your timeline. Simply click and drag a card to move it to a different column. This is where the interactive element really shines. You can adjust and update your timeline as your project evolves. And voila! You've created an interactive timeline in Notion. It's a powerful tool for managing your tasks, projects, or events. It's straightforward, yet flexible, and can be a game changer for your productivity. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.